How to log Facebook profile officially. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. First off, make sure you have updated your Facebook app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Here we go. Now at the very top, you will find the search box. Over there, type in the app name Facebook and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now, head towards your profile page. Click on the profile picture. Once you land to your profile page, now over here you will find three dots. Click on it. Different options will appear. In the profile settings, you will see the option of Lock Profile option. Go ahead and click on it. Lock your profile. Only friends will see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. Now click on Lock Your Profile option. You logged your profile. Click on OK. And just with that, you have logged your Facebook profile officially. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log Facebook profile officially. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.